I've been waiting for this, yeah.
Is the thought of building a house overwhelming to you? Where do you start? How do you make it all happen? Is it even affordable? Well, we had those same questions, and now we're kindly sharing the answers with you while we knock down and rebuild our family home.
You missed a bit when you were shaving. There's 2 hairs there. I'm the best wife ever.
Well, once you've brushed your teeth, then you can keep playing with it. We'll put it, maybe you can take it for show and tell. Walk. Walk. Teeth. Teeth. The rain has set in, the winds have been howling, and the swell has whipped up.
For me, days in Bali are all about surfing, eating, and relaxing. So I'm Liz, and
I'm Ryan.
And even though Ryan is super awkward around cameras, we had such a journey with buying a family home that it's something I felt pretty passionately about sharing.
Do you want to take your guitar for show and tell, or just your harmonica?
We missed out on 2 auctions.
We missed out on 2 auctions in a different area, and then we sort of reassessed what we wanted to do, and it's probably been close to 2 years, or if not a bit longer, that we've been looking.
Good job, Finn.
We got so frustrated that we were just having no luck finding an affordable 4 to 5 bedroom house. And I say 4 to 5 because I really want 5 bedrooms because I want 3 kids, and he is 2 will do.
I'm pretty happy with the 2 boys that we have at the moment. so.
Oh my gosh, we need more room. But ideally, if we could get a 5 bedroom house, just in case, I'm in no hurry for a 3rd, but just in case down the track, that would be great.
How do you give me fat, Mama?
Does it fit him? Stop growing so fast, mate.
Kit, shorts now.
Yeah, awesome, mate.
We've been looking at 4 bedroom homes, even they are borderline just out of our price range, so we've changed tact. Ryan did a letterbox drop to all the old homes in the area we've been looking at, and you got a phone call from one.
Yeah, so I just put about 100 letters out, and about 2 days after I did the drop, got a phone call.
And this is the best case scenario because basically this gives us the opportunity to affordably buy a block, take the home down or take the home away, and rebuild a 5 bedroom house. Get camera for that one. I'm getting my 3rd bedroom for the kids. At an affordable price. We're going to go and meet Kelly. She is a new home advisor from Metricon, and she's going to come to the block with us and let us know if there's any red flags that she sees.
They've got options for different size blocks.
5 bedroom options?
Only 4.
Do they have 5 bedroom options?
Yeah, they got possibly.
Do you really only want 2 kids? Is that still your hashtag 2 will do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Looks like I gotta find myself a new husband.
Yep.
Gonna keep the house. Well, this just went awkward. Coffee?
Sure. You ready to see this?
Yes. Is that it there?
That's it.
Oh my gosh. It doesn't look that bad at all.
No, it's livable.
Oh, I'm so excited to see the block. All right, let's go hear what Metricon have to say. Hello.
G'day.
Thanks for meeting with us today.
Ryan, how are you?
Good, thanks, yeah. Your new home advisors around the back.
Sweet, I'll go and have a chat.
Meet you around there in a sec.
Yep.
So what's your role?
I'm the site manager, so today I'm here to do a pre-site start inspection. So my job here today is to find out, you know, where the sewer is, where the stormwater is going to drain, will we have any problems, is there any walls on the boundary or over the boundary, and just to do just a general inspection until the house is cleared, and we'll come back and do a secondary inspection.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The demolition, we would look at installing fencing,
Yes.
pool,
Yes.
and then Metricon come in with the slab?
And Metricon would come in and commence works from there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's exactly like that.
All right.
Exactly, yeah.
I got to start
You're halfway
looking at
there.
pools.
Yeah, definitely look at pools, fencing.
Yeah.
Everything heavy at the back, I would
Yep.
suggest to get
it done early.
organised straight after demolition.
I've just noticed this tree. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so this is
It's
quite an old tree.
Beautiful.
To be honest, they look beautiful, but they are very problematic. Their roots.
Okay.
They will lift concrete even.
Oh, really?
Yeah, their root systems are very strong.
Hello, you must be Kelly. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You've been giving Ryan a bit of a rundown.
I have.
As a new home advisor, Kel, what is your role and what can we expect with you and what do we interact with you for?
Yeah. All right. So a lot of the pre-planning work happens with the new home advisor, with myself. First step is we make sure that the house fits on the block of land. We do some searches on your property to get a better understanding of the block, its location, zoning and overlays. From there, we can then work on some costings for you. So we're looking at the house design, look at the options that are important to you in your home, look at some of the non-negotiables like our site considerations and our council requirements, put that all together to present you with a sales estimate that we can review prior to you investing any money or getting the process underway. So,
And are there any fees in that process or?
no, we just want to make sure that we're getting the right fit and for you to get a complete picture before we start doing any
That's so
formal work.
awesome.
Daryl said that he can leave the doghouse for
Really?
us. Yeah.
Oh,
So,
cute. Little home for Bear.
yeah.
Actually, what am I talking about? Your second home. When you're in the doghouse, right? So is there anything else you want to ask? Because once again, I've done all the talking.
I think you've covered everything. So, yeah, thanks
Happy
very much.
life, happy life, Ryan.
That's what they
Yep.
say. Yep.
That's exactly right.
Join us next time on KnockDown ReBuild.
Guess what?
We've put an offer on a house.
New house.
We just bought a house.
We did, yeah.